November of acceleration, November of a rise, November of breaking of fallow ground, November of angelic ministration, November of open heaven, November of glory, November of fire, November of power, November of alignment, November of help, November of helpers, November of fragrance of favor, November of oral good news, November of expansion, November of mighty harvest, November of open heaven, November of oral turnaround, November of angelic visitation, November of divine remembrance, November of no affliction, November of no infirmity, November of your biggest good news, November of your biggest good news, November of your biggest good news. It will happen in November. 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 The November of your new, the November of your rising, the November of your selection, the November of your preference, the November of your higher rising, the November of your breaking out, the November of your breaking forth, the November of your new oil, the November of your new grace, the November of your turnaround, the November of your eruption, the November of no obituary, the November of no confinement, the November of no confusion, the November of higher glory, the November of higher glory, the November of evidence, the November of evidence, the November of divine visibility, the November of global visibility, November of greater hunger for God, November of greater hunger for God, November of greater consecration, November of stepping onto higher ground, November of your thrones, November of your crowns, November of your amplification, November of your new garment, November of direction, November of might, November of the fear of the Lord, November of greater grace, November of greater skill, November of greater ability, November of shining forth. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. November of the example of good news. It is your portion right now. Right now. In the first 7 days of November, in the first 7 days of November, the one with the loudest amen, the Lord will make you shout for joy. The Lord will make you shout for joy. The Lord will make you shout for joy. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. You may not see the wind. You may not see the rain. But your valley shall be full of water. 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 Receive it right now. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. Receive it right now. What they intended for evil will turn for your God. Receive it right now. Your name is on that list. Your name is on that list. Your name is on that list. Allow me to make this prayer. I don't know why. Every stubborn pursuer that is committed, that others will eat dust. Allow me to make this prayer. May the Lord withdraw mercy from them. The next time they will arise to pursue the innocent, the next time they will say, it is you that we are looking for. We must see that you are clothed with shame. We must see that you are clothed with pain. Oh Lord, what will thou give them? Oh Lord, what will thou give them? Give them a dry breast and a miscarrying water. Give them a dry breast and a miscarrying water. Give them a dry breast and a miscarrying water. Right now, right now, right now, now. Your best days are here. The big one has landed. The big one has landed. November will be good. November will be good. November will be good. November will be good. You will laugh. You will rejoice. I see you celebrating. I see you celebrating. I see you being congratulated. I see them looking for your name to favor you. I see them saying, I don't know why I'm doing this. I don't know why I'm doing this. But they will do it. They will do it. The last favor you got is not all. Another one is coming. Another one is coming. Another one is coming. The Lord is raising for you sons of encouragement, daughters of encouragement. They will not rest. They will not rest until they do the will of God in your life. You are not going anywhere. Your glory will not fade. There are bigger days ahead. There are greater days ahead. I see you jumping for joy. I see you celebrating. I see things turning around. I see things turning around. I see things turning around. I see your joy being complete. I see the Lord releasing your grace. I see them celebrating you. I see doors opening on your behalf. November is already blessed. November has been taken over. November is your best day so far. And your amen thunder 11 times. I announce it is done. I don't know why I'm glad to say it again. Thunder your amen 11 times again. What our God cannot do. People of God, November prayers have not finished. So come with what you desire. Come with what you wrote down. Tomorrow again. And tomorrow will be fire. Tomorrow will be fire. If today is like this, November of my completion. November of a mighty harvest. November of a sound of joy. November of no new battles. November of getting there. November of emergency celebration. November of healing. November of deliverance. November of family good news. November of thrones and crown. November of a fresh oil. November of being prepared. People of God, the one with the loudest amen, let it be your evidence right now. It is done. It is done. It is done. Before this prayer is over, let the Lord show you that November will be good. Before this prayer is over, receive a sign that November is already gone. Let your amen turn the 3 times. Get on your knees wherever you are. Begin to put together your seed of thanksgiving. Put together. Nsppdians. Go ahead. This is the new month prayer. This is a day.